Well, hello everybody. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back to the channel and happy Kwanzaa to everyone. You all, it is Wednesday, December 30th, 2020, and today is the 5th day of Kwanzaa. So without further ado, I want to thank you all for taking a moment to stop by. I really appreciate it. And if you didn't remember to do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to blow dry on that like button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, without further ado, you all, let's go ahead and jump right into this segment. I hope that you guys are enjoying this segment. I know that I am learning all about the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. So, today again is the 5th day of Kwanzaa, and it is celebrated and recognized on this Wednesday, December 30th. We recognize NEE-ah, or purpose, which focuses on building and developing our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. Now, on this day, each member should examine his or her ability to put his or her talent or skill to use in the service of the family and community at large. Take time to reflect on your expectations from life. Discuss your desires and hopes with your family and friends. On this day, you should be trying to determine if this purpose will eventually result in a positive achievement for your family and for your community. The NEE-ah principle asks each person to be service or mission driven on the behalf of either your family, your school, and or your community. The core concept and practice of the value purpose is service. Service to others, family, school, community, and the nation is what defines who we are and our possibilities for developing communities that provide the context for the families and children to thrive and flourish. Each member of the family, school, or community is asked to examine his or her talents and skills and determine how he or she will put forth those skills or talents in the service of the family, school, or community. NEE-ah, to make our collaborative, collective vocation the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. You all, I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. I want to thank you again for taking a moment to stop by the channel. If you didn't blow dry on that like button on your way in, please make sure you don't forget to do that. And if you are enjoying this commentary, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. You all stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.